Welcome back, superhumans. Today's mission: protect your digital footprint. From ads to apps, online trackers are following your every move, but not for long. Let's learn how to limit online tracking and reclaim your privacy. Every click, scroll, and search is collected and analyzed. Companies use trackers, cookies, and pixels to build profiles about you, what you buy, where you go, and even how you feel. Step 1. Tune your browser for privacy. Disable third-party cookies, block trackers, and enable Do Not Track settings. It's the first layer of protection against digital snoopers. Step 2. Choose a browser built for privacy. Options like Brave, Firefox, or Safari give you more control and block most trackers by default. Add-ons can take your protection even further. Step 3. Control mobile tracking. Apps often track your location and behavior, even when you're not using them. Disable unnecessary permissions and review privacy settings regularly. Step 4. Switch to private tools. Use search engines like DuckDuckGo or Startpage and protect your browsing with a trusted VPN. They prevent companies from profiling your online activity. Mission accomplished, superhumans! By taking control of your settings, using privacy tools, and staying alert, you've cut the trackers off at the source. Your data belongs to you. Keep it that way.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.